armed to the hilt, isn't it?
Yeah.
This can cause some serious damage.
We say farewell to the fair damsels of Portsmouth once more.
That's incredible.
Wow. Well, welcome to World War II headquarters here at the Historic Dockyard in Portsmouth. And
I know. It looks fantastic, doesn't it?
it does, doesn't it?
I've always wanted to buy a Spitfire, but actually I've just changed my mind.
Well, this is the Spitfire of the sea, Jim.
Yeah. Well, I can see why. I mean, look at it. It just looks so mean. It looks so live. It looks so sort of feline and lethal.
You know, when I'm feeling good about myself, I imagine that I have a pair of Oerlikon cannons, some Lewis guns, and a pom-pom gun at the front. That's how I feel.
What with that kind of duck egg blue?
Yeah,
kind of
this is when I'm feeling good. I feel like this looks right. I mean, no,
I've always thought of you a bit like that.
I don't know. So this is a really serious bit of kit, and it's absolutely fantastic that it's here at
Still working,
and more than that,
still going,
full throttle. And we will get a chance to do that in a minute. But what we're looking at here is a motor gunboat.
Yes.
MGB 81.
Yes, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about it, talking about what it was doing, what it was designed for, a bit of its service history, and then putting it through its paces.
More importantly, we're going to go out on the Solent in it and zip about.
That's the really good bit.
Yeah. I mean, I think maybe one of those might occur.
Yeah, go on, do one.
There we go. Yeah, fantastic bit of kit this.
I just love it. I think it's amazing.
It is the most beautiful thing, and but it looks like a bit of a bruiser, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks mean. It looks fit for purpose.
Yeah. Shall we?
Yeah. Come on then.
After you.
Yeah. Come on.
I think he's a bit excited.
So this one was launched in July 1942.
Yep.
But they didn't have them at the start of the war, did they?
No.
This is a response.
Yes. Well, yeah, and essentially what these boats are, I mean, you called it it's like a Spitfire earlier on. You compared it to Spitfire. It's sort of that role, isn't it? It's a fighter escort, as it were, for convoy shipping and for motor torpedo boats and protection against the German E-boats or the Schnellboote.
Yeah, the Schnellboote, which are super quick.
Yeah.
Much bigger than this.
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah.
They didn't have many of them, the Germans, but they were causing havoc in the channel.
Yeah.
Because they would hurtle out from Le Havre or Boulogne or wherever, and the coastal convoys were still going on.
Yep.
These little comparatively small ships, freighters, trampers, going up and down, bringing coal into the port of London, and so on, and they needed protecting. But also these were used as little raiders. And motor torpedo boats obviously have torpedoes.
Yeah.
They do have some weaponry as well. But the point is that those are anti-shipping fast boats.
Yeah.
Motor gunboats that do the kind of shooting up and protecting.
Yeah, protecting the MTBs. I think what's interesting about it is, again, the comparison with the Spitfire counts, because the power plant for this, and this is a restored boat, so it doesn't have the same engines, but it had 3 Packard Merlins.
Yes.
Three Packard Merlins in the back, which meant it could...
and I think the Schnellboote had the Daimler-Benz 601 or 605.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
3 of those.
Proven, the thing works. But that meant this could do basically 40 knots or so. But it's all wood.
Yeah.
The hull, the construction's all wood. So you've got, this sort of confluence of that old boat building skill and design and raw power.
And aerodynamics. I mean, it's a live, listen thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you've got the pom-pom on the front. Normally those pom-poms were kind of, they were quads, weren't they? There were 4 of them or 2 of them. Yeah. You've just got the single one here. Then you've got the Lewis guns, brace of Lewis guns either side. Then you've got the Oerlikon cannons at the back.
Yeah.
I mean, it is armed to the hilt, isn't it? This can cause some serious damage.
Yeah.
And of course, it's incredibly manoeuvrable.
Yeah.
And these things were later used, all over, particularly in the Mediterranean. There's that fantastic book, Motor Gunboat. Was it 638 or whatever it is, 658? It's absolutely superb.
I mean, you're starting to warm to the idea that you want one of these, right?
Yeah, I think if I had all the money in the world, you know, rather than buying a Spitfire, I'd get this.
Yeah, but this is the only one though, so I think you might need all the money in the
I know,
world.
but you might need all the money in the world. Yeah, but you know how Spitfire.
So like and subscribe, everybody, and we'll buy one.
That can be kind of team project.
I think what's interesting about it though is that this feels very function and design all in one thing. You know,
Yeah.
it's got one job, and at a glance you can tell what that job is. Right?
This is go very fast and shoot lots of stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and
Basically.
manoeuvre around.
Yeah.
But it's also it's a coastal craft, isn't it?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
you're not going far out at sea. You're beetling out of a hidden cove in the Mediterranean or Sicily or
Yeah.
something, or Tunisia.
Well,
or here.
out of Portsmouth, over and you're
Yeah.
and you're getting in it at Gold Beach or wherever, and making sure
Yeah.
things are ticking over. Yeah.
Yeah. But this is to harass. It's to protect convoys. It's to harass enemy shipping.
Yeah.
It's a counterbalance to the Schnellbooter, the E-boat.
Yeah.
It's got a multiple role really. Crew of about 12 to 14.
Yep.
So you've got the skipper, navigator, radio man.
We'll have lots of weapons people.
You've got weapons people. You've got loaders.
Engineers.
A couple of engineers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you easily get up to your dozen.
Yeah.
But you'd be a real team, wouldn't you? You'd be a really. Don't you think?
Oh, Jim, you're just having the greatest time of your life on
I
here,
know.
aren't you? It's very sweet.
I want to be part of it.
Right, let's go. We say farewell to the fair damsels of Portsmouth once more.
We'll be protecting our fair shores.
You can feel the power though, right?
Already.
Crikey! Feel that power, baby!
So we smoothed around a little bit.
This is the life, eh?
Oh, it's got quite a lot of power, hasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, you
yeah.
feel that?
You certainly do. I mean, you'd be the other side of the channel in pretty short order, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it wouldn't take long. I mean, the interesting thing is the steering of it is quite hardcore.
Yeah, yeah. Well, because of all the torque on the screws. Yeah, that was technical. If anyone's, that was the correct verbiage there, wasn't it, Jim? The torque on the screws.
Torque on screws is very good.
Because there's 3 screws, two are turning one way and the other's turning the other. So you have to, yeah. So that's what you're correcting for.
Nice.
Yeah.
Reload turbo. And plenty of left, that's it.
Is that the torque on the screws?
Yeah, because you've got 2 going one way and 1 counter rotating.
Ah,
so you
right,
get the torque
okay.
and the prop effect on it,
Well, how was it for you, Jim?
Oh, it's absolutely superb. I mean, what about you?
Well, I mean, as motor gunboat trips go, I think it's in the top 1. That was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's actually fantastic. That sort of real raw power.
Yeah.
You really got a sense of that, didn't you, when you were on the controls?
Yeah, defo. That
Throttle
moment,
open. Yeah,
fantastic.
Yeah. And you know, for me, if I was, you know, you always ask that question, don't you? What would you have done if you were in the Second World War? You know, which service would you have joined?
Oh, right. Well, one of these.
Well, I've always thought, you know, obviously I want to fly Spitfires, but I just know I'd get killed in no time because I'm a bit of a slapdash.
Right.
So I'd probably join the Royal Navy
Right.
because I think they had pretty sharp uniforms.
Yeah.
And I think the part of the Navy I'd like to be part of is MTBs or MGBs.
Okay. I'd be angling straight for Ensa. I'd join a concert party. It ain't half up, Mum.
Yeah.
This is a really amazing experience, though. And if, the thing is people can actually do this for themselves if they come.
They can.
If
Come
they
to the
come.
Historic Dockyard.
Historic Dockyard. They have
That's
to.
number 4, isn't it? I think.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they have to cough up, obviously. But who wouldn't for this incredible experience?
Yeah, it is absolutely amazing. This is the real thing, isn't it?
Yep.
It's fantastic to have an interest, a historical interest, where you can actually go and do stuff. I mean, not
Yeah, yeah,
everyone
yeah.
can get in armour and go on a charger, can they?
Yes, that's that.
But
yeah.
this, you can go down to Portsmouth, get on a motor gunboat, open the throttles, and go 30+ knots.
The only
across
thing
the
that,
Solent.
the only thing that was missing really was our rum ration, and I think they've been a bit short on the rum ration on this
Yeah, well,
trip.
we can make up for that now.
Yeah, but I mean, there was we weren't even offered a rum ration.
No, a top.
I think it's completely scandalous.
No.
Anyway,
Heads.
yes, why not? That's correct verbiage for toilets, of course.